Hello students, myself Navneet Patel and today we are going to start ideal and non-ideal solution. Okay, in previous video we have already discussed about the Raoult's law, both cases, first case and second case, and now today our topic is ideal and non-ideal solution. So first one is ideal solution. So basically those solutions which obeys Raoult's law in a wide range of the concentration at specific temperature. So such type of the solution are known as the ideal solution. Okay students, so main point is ideal solution should be follow the Raoult's law. Okay, suppose here two mixture A and B. They are liquids A and B. Okay, both are liquid mixed together in a container. It is a container. In this container, the mixture of A and B. Okay, so write here A plus B. In this mixture, there are two types of the liquids, and both liquids are volatile in nature. Okay, students, both liquids should be volatile in nature. So think about this mixture. In this mixture, there are two types of the liquids. First one A and B. So that is why there are three types of the attraction force will be generated in the liquid. First one, attraction force between AA molecules. Second one, attraction force between BB molecules. And third one, the attraction force between A and B molecules. Okay, look here. So three types of the force will be generated: FAA, FBB and FAB. If three forces are working here and all these forces are equal, then the ideal solution will be formed. Okay students, listen again. Here there are two components, component A and component B. Both components mixed together form a mixture. So there are three types of the attraction will be generated. First one, F, force of attraction AA molecule, BB molecule and AB molecules, and all these force of attraction will be equal. Then you can say that this solution should be ideal solution. Okay, now second reason, mixture of A and B will be ideal if they have the similar structure and similar nature, that means the similar polarity. Suppose we mix together, here I am going to write here some examples. Yani ki mixture of ethanol C2H5OH and methanol CH3OH. Okay, look here. Suppose it is a A mixture and it is a B mixture. Both mixtures are belong in same homologous series, means both are the alcohol. Okay students, and both have the almost equal polarity, not equal polarity but almost equal polarity. That is why the mixture of ethanol and the mixture of methanol will be formed an ideal solution. And the next example, suppose benzene and toluene, mixture of benzene means C6H6 and toluene C6H5CH3. Okay, now mixture of N-heptane and N-hexane. Okay, N-heptane and N-hexane both having the similar nature and similar property. That is why they form the ideal solution. So overall point is those solution which obeys the Raoult's law, so such type of the solution are known as the ideal solution. Look this graph. Okay, this is the graph between vapor pressure and mole fraction. In this point, x equal to 1, then xv equal to 0, and here xb equal to 1 and xa equal to 0. Why it is? You know very well, xa plus xb equal to 1. If here xa equal to 1, then xb equal to also 0 and xb equal to 1, xa equal to 0. In pure form, liquid A, in pure form, A liquid contain P naught A pressure. In pure form, liquid B contain P naught B pressure, and this line show that the pressure equal to P naught A into X. You know very well, it is the ideal graph. And also we have to discuss in Raoult's law, and total pressure P equal to PA plus and PB, and this line show the total pressure PB equal to P naught B into XB. Here PB equal to vapor pressure of B in mixture, and here P naught B equal to in pure form, vapor pressure of B in pure form, and PB equal to vapor pressure of B in the mixture. Okay students, so now look here, for an ideal condition, an ideal solution, there are some conditions. First one, P naught equal to XA and PB equal to P naught B into XB, it is known as the Raoult's law. Okay, you know very well. Okay, now here there is no change in the heat. That means reaction should not be exothermic nor be endothermic. That means no energy released from the mixture and no observation of the energy. Okay, that means delta H should be 0. Here suppose A and B mixture mixed together, and 1 liter here mixture and 1 liter here mixture. So overall mixture is 1 plus 1 equal to 2 liter. So overall difference of volume should be 0. This is the condition of ideal solution. Okay. Now next, non-ideal solution. What is the reason behind this? Why they do not follow the Raoult's law? Because if there are two mixtures A and B, suppose liquid A and liquid B mixed together, then the mixture will be formed, and the force of attraction in each form means force of attraction of A molecules, force of attraction of BB molecules, and force of attraction AB molecules. All these forces are differ. Okay, so that is why they do not follow the Raoult's law. So such type of the solutions are known as the non-ideal solution. Okay, you know very well what is the Raoult's law. If non-ideal solution do not follow the Raoult's law, so you can say PA does not equal to P naught A into XA, and PB does not equal to P naught B and XB. Okay, here you already look in previous video, delta H equal to 0 for the ideal solution, but in this case delta H of mixture not equal to 0. Okay, and so delta mixture, and that means volume of mixture does not equal to 0. Okay, so basically these are the Raoult's function, and those solutions which do not obey the Raoult's law, so these solutions are known as a non-ideal solution. Okay, so solution, basically non-ideal solution, there are two types of the solution. First, positive deviation from the Raoult's law and negative deviation from the Raoult's law. Okay, what is the positive deviation and negative deviation? In previous video already we have to discuss about the graph between the mole fraction and vapor pressure. In this graph, look here, this is the vapor pressure of A in pure form, and P naught B equal to vapor pressure of liquid B in pure form. Okay, so if the dotted line show that the ideal solution, but this graph curve move over this line, and this line show the positive deviation. Positive means over the graph. Okay, negative means below the graph. Okay, if P naught A is vapor pressure of liquid A in pure form, so PA equal to P naught A into XA, and this line show the positive deviation. Like this, PB equal to P naught B into XB, and this line show the total. S means the solution vapor pressure of the solution equal to the partial vapor pressure of liquid A and partial vapor pressure of liquid B. Okay. Now what is the reason behind this? Why such solutions show the positive deviation? What is the reason behind this? So look here. If the force of attraction, suppose mixture A, liquid A and liquid B mixed together in the container. Okay, here the mixture of A and B. In this container, force of attraction A and B and AA and force of attraction BB. So there are three types of the force are working in the mixture. So look here. If the force of attraction AB is less than the force of attraction AA molecules and BB molecules, so such type of the solution show the positive deviation from the Raoult's law. Okay, next condition is if P partial pressure of liquid A in mixture is greater than the P naught into XA, and PB partial pressure of liquid B in the mixture PB is greater than the P naught B and XB. And third condition is delta H is greater than the 0 and delta V is also greater than the 0. These are the conditions of positive deviation. Look here. In negative deviation, the reverse process of the positive deviation, same graph but the line draw from the below in the straight line. Okay, this graph, if these lines are not available here, so these dotted lines show the Raoult's law or ideal solution, but this line show, that means the below the ideal solution, and this show the negative deviation from the Raoult's law. Okay, in this case, the attraction force between the AB molecule is greater than the AA molecule and BB molecules. Okay, students. Now in this case, partial pressure of liquid A is less than P naught A into XA, and partial pressure of B, liquid B, is less than P naught B into XB. This is the condition of the negative deviation. And here, if when liquid A and B mix together, then the energy difference is greater than the 0. That means that this process is exothermic process because heat is released from the solution, and the delta V of the solution is less than the 0. Okay, students. So these are the positive deviation and negative deviation, and negative and positive deviation is very important for a board examination. Okay. Now after this we will discuss some examples of positive deviation and negative deviation. Okay, students. These are some examples of positive deviation and negative deviation. First example here, ethyl alcohol, that means C2H5OH and water. This is the mixture of ethyl alcohol and water show the positive deviation. And acetone means CS3COCS3, and a mixture of acetone and carbon disulfide, and carbon tetrachloride and benzene, the mixture show the positive deviation, and acetone and benzene, mixture of acetone and benzene show the positive deviation. And there are some examples, nitric acid and water, the mixture of nitric acid and water show the negative deviation, and here chloroform and acetone show the negative deviation, and acetic acid and pyridine show the negative deviation, and HCl and water show the negative deviation. In next video will be meet with the azeotropic mixture.